Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Noah, and welcome to our Thursday.
And a snack! Alright, he did it. Okay, so we practiced that, of course, y'all know. So, hey y'all, hey, it is Latanya.
Yup.
And this is Bree.
Noah to buy lemon.
Alrighty, yeah. So, how are y'all doing tonight? It's Thursday, and it's getting late, so we're gonna have to hurry up and get this going.
Cause we got this one.
Redo the intro. Oh, this is live. We can't redo it. Hey, is that Yasmin? Okay. All right, y'all are far, so if I don't talk to y'all, it's because I can't see you. Please forgive me if I can't read what's going on, but y'all are far. Okay, so we're gonna be doing sweet tea and s'mores. Let me know if you like sweet tea, or let me know if you like s'mores. Tell me, which one do you like?
Sweet tea and s'mores.
Okay, you like them both?
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right, so I cannot see
These
this.
are our marshmallows.
Hello, Jessica, how you doing? I can't. Y'all not gonna talk about me.
Itching.
It is. Can you hold on?
No.
Do you need to go to the bathroom?
Do what?
Just scratch your nose and wash your hands. Because we on the live video, they're waiting to see what we're doing. Okay. All right. So for the s'mores, we have graham crackers and marshmallows, and we have some chocolate. So I'm not even gonna lie. We have some leftover chocolate, and yeah, so that's what I'm using. Of course, you can use whatever kind of chocolate you like. If you like Hershey's chocolate, use that. But this is what we're using today. Okay, guys, go ahead and put some chocolate on a couple of them. All right, so for the traditional s'mores, people, we are doing good. We want to put more than one on a piece of candy, piece of graham cracker, because I like a lot of chocolate. So for the traditional s'mores, this is how you like it. Wait. You want your graham cracker, your chocolate, and then your marshmallow. Here, Bree, you can do these. Now, these are Rolos. So, let me know in the comments if you like Rolos on one of those. Baby, let her do those. And you get these. And these are peanut butter cups. So, like little Reese's Pieces. Thank you for those chocolate hearts. Is this? Yeah. Put them. You see how Sissy's doing it? Oh. So. Alrighty. Hold on. Let's do it like this. But we're gonna take that one off because we gotta be careful. What? Yeah, you can move it. Or just get another graham cracker.
No.
Let's get another graham cracker. Wash your hands, baby. Alright, so we have the Rolos, which has the chocolate and the caramel. And then we have the Reese's Cup, which has the peanut butter. And then we have the regular chocolate. And so go ahead and put some more. You want regular chocolate or you want Reese's Cup? Or do you want both? You. Me? For that last one, do you want to put
You put the regular chocolate, that's the only one that has enough, right?
yeah, that's why I said you can do both. You can do some regular chocolate and some Rolos.
No.
Excuse me.
Alright, so we're going to take this to the oven.
And you're doing this, right? Because last time
No, you can do it. Just watch it. Yeah. Put it on broil. Yeah, just watch it. Alright, so we're going to put it in the oven on broil. And we're going to watch it just until the chocolate starts to melt and the marshmallows get a little bit brown. Hey, Mary. Alright, so she's on marshmallow duty. So the twist to these are going to be strawberries and bananas. So I'm just going to get these ready. I just had some extra. No, hi. No, I don't want you to do this. I'll let you do the other part. So I'm just taking my my little puller here, and I'm popping off these strawberry tops. I'm not gonna do all of these because they're not gonna eat it. And I'm gonna slice them up. Yes. So I'm gonna put my strawberries and my banana on here. Okay? You can do it? Alright, you know how to do it? Oh, hold on. I want the banana that way. Let's do this that way. So you're gonna rock back and forth. Huh? Are they bubbling? So let them kind of bubble up. So we got our sliced strawberries and our sliced bananas. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with that.
Yeah.
All right. So,
I'm gonna take mine now.
is it bubbling?
They're a nice color. And I'm scared. Okay.
All right, give it a few more seconds. Close it up. So, tell me in the comments. Naya said,
Naya.
is that Renee?
Naya?
No, I said Renee. Tell me your favorite
Now?
berry. Yeah, you can take it out now. Tell me your favorite berry in the comments. What's your favorite berry, baby? Like strawberries or blueberries or raspberry? That's not a berry. Okay, so my favorite berry is strawberries. All right. So, okay, pull those over. No. Watch back. Watch back. Stand back. This way we got this. Alright, so what we're going to do with these are, you're going to take, here, you can take these, they didn't soften up too good.
Can I do it?
Here, I'm going to put yours right here. You can do that. Okay, so with these, oh, that's why I wanted to do more. With these peanut butter cups, you can, can't see. You can just do it the regular way with the peanut butter cups. But another idea, so this is the twist for your s'mores. So another idea I have is you can put bananas on your peanut butter one. So you can have your chocolate and your peanut butter all with the s'mores. And I probably should have put that on the other side. So that's with that one. And then, oh, okay, so with the regular chocolate one,
Can I do this one?
hold on, baby.
Okay.
You can do some strawberries, so you can have chocolate and strawberries on that one. Here you go. Hold on. Let's put this down here so you don't burn yourself.
Nope. This one is really good.
So also I would say let it cook in the oven for a few minutes before you broil it so that your chocolate can melt more. And then for the Rolos, you can just leave that. So you have your chocolate and your caramel and your marshmallow. And this one, I'm just going to leave it like that. So you like that?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, let me see that.
I saw it.
Yeah. Can you get me a plate?
So we can
Alright,
eat it?
so those were...
I'll have to taste
Give me
it.
a picture plate. So we're going to let those sit... Okay, that's fine. We're going to let those sit so that the chocolate and the
Mom, can I eat one?
and the marshmallows kind of melt together, okay?
No.
Hey, Miss Chanel, how you doing?
Hey, Missy,
How you doing?
All right, so that was our s'mores with a twist, and now we're gonna do our sweet tea.
With a twist.
Okay.
With a twist.
We didn't practice or rehearse none of that stuff. All right, so I have some sweet tea, and at first I did
Super not hot.
12 cups of water, but I was cooking while I was letting it boil, and I think it kind of reduced down. And I used 4 family packs of tea. They might be kind of strong, but it's gonna be okay. So I added in about, you here, baby? 1 quart of water to the bottom. so that, because I was afraid that I made the tea too strong. So I added in 1 quart here, because this has a measure marking, a liter. Is that what that says? So 1 liter or 1 quart.
Just squeeze it.
Alright, so I'm using the rest of this juice. So this is, once again, the 100% berry juice. And I have 2 cups of that. So we're going to pour that in. Okay, baby, you want to open that?
Is it a pop?
Not like, not like biscuits. Alright, so we got 2 cups of berry juice in there. It's melted.
I see that.
Pour like half of that in there. And this is the orange juice, the frozen orange juice.
It's poking. So sorry. That's half of it.
And it started to thaw out a bit. This is the orange juice, the frozen orange juice. And it started to thaw out. Alright, turn. Don't look. Don't look, y'all. Don't look. Don't be talking about my drinks, okay?
Sugar.
Yeah, don't be talking about it. Alright, and so we're just gonna mix that up. So this is going to be berry orange tea. Honestly, it was supposed to be berry lemonade tea, but I thought we had lemon juice, but we have orange juice. So, but we're still gonna go with this. Honey bunches, can you get me the
Me?
yes? Can you get me the ice out of the freezer, please? Alright, so that is it for our drinks.
Yeah, look, guys. It's so heavy. I can't pick it up. See, bubbling. See.
Alright. Let's taste it a little bit.
I want to taste it.
Huh.
I want to taste
You
it.
want to taste it?
Yeah, it looks so yummy.
Alright, fill those all the way up, babe. That's an interesting thing. How do you like it?
It's good.
Oh, he likes it. Alright, so we have a winner. Alright, so we need a name for this. So you guys help us name this drink. Hold on. It has sweet tea, orange juice, and berry juice.
Juicy tea. Ooh,
Juicy
juicy tea, because that's a play on words. If you think about it. Juicy tea.
Juicy tea.
Sipping it. Okay?
Peppermint tea.
Juicy tea.
And
Peppermint
we're just
tea.
gonna garnish it. Just a little bit of garnish. If it'll stay. Like it's acting like it don't want to stay. And all I did was slice the lemon and slice up strawberry and put them on the come on now.
Did you hit it?
I think it's all up.
Good job.
Right there. Juicy.
Cheers.
Trying to have it rested in between the ice. Okay, so that is our drink. So this is the sweet tea with a twist. And then
Mama.
go ahead, you can put it in there. And then these are our
Says so
s'mores.
sweet juicy tea.
Ooh, I like that one. So
Mom,
sweet.
can I
juicy tea.
taste?
Hold on.
library in Noah.
I can't see where.
Hello.
Oh, over here?
Hato.
Hello. Time for like Pocoyo.
Hato.
Okay, I can't. My apologies, people. My apologies. Okay. Alright, so this is the peanut butter one. This is the Rolo one.
Rolla.
Rolo.
And this is the regular one. Alright. So here are the s'mores with the twist and our sweet tea with the twist. So, I am going to type these up.
Ooh.
Knock it down. He was trying to warn me. Hold on. Hold on. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Okay, so our s'mores with a twist, which are regular s'mores if you don't want a twist. And then we have s'mores with Rolos, so that's your chocolate and your caramel and your marshmallow. And then we also have our s'mores, our berry s'mores, so strawberries, our chocolate, and our marshmallow.
Who's that?
And then we have our peanut butter
Who's that?
cup banana s'mores. Okay? So, you guys, tell me your favorite s'more, even if it's none of them. Say none of them
Never.
if you don't like s'mores. But that is it for tonight's edition of Thirsty Thursday. And
Snack.
good job! We're gonna get it. Alright, so we're gonna call it a night. We thank you guys so much for joining us. Hey, cousin, we doing good. She all in them. This is all day, every day.
You missed it.
That's all day, every day.
You missed it.
So, thank you so much for joining us. Once again, I am Latanya.
I'm
and this
Bree.
Noah.
and we will see y'all in the next video.
See y'all later. Bye.
Have a good night. Happy Thursday.
Bye, guys.
Bye.